Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to verify your Wise business account. So first of all you have to do is click or open your Wise application on your phone, or you can also do this on your web browser. Once the app is opened, all you have to do is click on your profile icon on the top left corner and click on open a new business account. So it will ask you where your business is located. So you have to select your country. For example, I live in a country where it is not supported, but my business is in another country. For example, if your business is inside United States, you can select United States and click on confirm. What is your role in the business? You are director or significant shareholder or company employee or representative or other. I will select other and click on continue. You have to choose your company type. I will select others. You have to enter your registered business name. For example, for demonstration, I will type it as my online business. Your taxpayer identification number or TIN number, you have to enter your number as well, and after that you have to click on continue. And after adding all of your information, it may ask you for your ID card or your identity card number or the picture. You have to scan that as well, and after verification you have successfully opened your business account in Wise. So if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.